Good morning. Today my daughter comes home for spring break and I just kind of want to get the house a little bit more clean. I need to fluff the couch, I need to clean my room, I need to vacuum, maybe even start cleaning the upstairs a little bit, although I have been waiting for her just to have some help to climb up into the attic and put some things up there. Also just kind of feeling, really quiet today, really calm. It's raining and I think it's supposed to get worse, which makes me nervous, her driving in rain, because I think it will be like the first time. I'm gonna go ahead and get my room all cleaned up. So this is Dollar Tree stuff that I was gonna take immediately to use and test, but I realized that, well, no, I actually want to test it so that when I do my March favorites, I'll be able to speak to some of that. So as thinking that out, I'm actually going to pull that back into my bathroom. I've got dirty clothes, water bottles that need to be recycled, her bed that needs to be vacuumed and taken out of here. I need to make my bed. I need to put up clothes. I mean, otherwise my room is actually in really good shape. I just need to, tidy it up. My bathroom is still a mess. I need to get some organization systems in there for all of my stuff. I don't know if it's a makeup day or not. I feel like it's not. I want to let my skin rest today. It's feeling really soft. So I'm just gonna, do a facial, maybe a mask. Probably do that in this video. And then I want to clean up the living room, get Loxie's toys put up, get the floors nice and vacuumed. I think I'm gonna do 2-a-days, and it's something that I've been calling cleaning. I don't think I've ever talked about it, but it's where I vacuum twice a day. It's not just for football moms. No, but why am I laughing? It's probably not even funny at all. I've got some decor stuff that I've been saving for a decor haul, and then, you know the drill. This is just all decor that I'm trying to figure out. So let's go ahead and tackle my bedroom first.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find a light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your heart and
right, I took a shower, got dressed, and it is a very rainy day. I just love that sound. Makes me want to grab a book, curl up, which I am going to do. But again, I'm trying to get the house straightened up a little bit. We're going to leave the makeup there for today. I'm not going to move it. Or you know what? I probably will move it. Why don't we just use some YouTube magic in 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Don't you just love YouTube magic? Okay, now for the rest of my bedroom, got everything taken care of. By the way, that's a bathing suit I'm going to return to Walmart. It was actually supposed to be more yellow. I don't know why it's so orange. And they have a pink one, so I'm gonna exchange it for the pink one instead. I'm just not a fan of that color. Got the floors vacuumed, and I'm gonna take my linen spray, sweep that over my bed. It is Peaceful Calming Lavender, and I get this at Tuesday morning. Love these linen sprays. I usually tuck it right here for the time being. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off this light since I'm not gonna be in my room. I've got a random sock right here. I have not really organized my drawers that much. I have a sticker and my remotes. Next room that we're gonna do, I don't know if you can see how dark it is from the storm that's outside. We're gonna vacuum Loxie's bed, vacuum the floor. I'm gonna put my laptop away, put my hat away, get that bottle of water recycled, put the blankets up, fluff the couch, and that should take care of this room. Oh, and put this stuff up for right now.
You were actually